Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add friends in Brawlhalla. Alright, let's begin. First, make sure your game is updated to the latest version. This is important so all features work properly. Once you are on the main menu, scroll down and select the option called Custom Game Room. You will find it below the Battle Pass option and above Strikeout. Tap on it to continue. Here you will see two choices, Join Room or Create Room. To play with friends, start by creating a room. After selecting Create Room, choose between a public room or a private room. If you only want your friends to join, select Private Room. Next, pick your character and confirm your selection using the check icon. After this, a room code will appear at the top of the screen. Share this code with your friends so they can join your room. For friends joining, they need to open Custom Game Room. Select Join Room, enter the code, and confirm. Once done, everyone will be in the same room and ready to play together. So that's basically how you can add friends in Brawlhalla. That's it for this video. Thanks.